But I appeal to our majesties and our highnesses. You have a role to play. It's a very serious role to play. And the role is, how do you assist government protect our oil assets? How do you assist the security agencies protect the state from oil theft? And that's role you can play it. Because you know some of these persons who engage in this act. I know it is difficult to go and report to the security agents that somebody is doing burglary or oil theft in your area. But by one means or the other, you can always pass that information to even us. If you're scared of the security agencies, you can pass it through the NDDC, who will act with the security agencies to stop that oil theft. Because if Nigeria produces more, we will get more revenue and more will come to the region. Is it also? So I'm appealing to all of us. Let us try as much as we can to protect what we have.
Let us know what they are doing, and also they can also give us the opportunity to secure the oil wells, which is very important. A lot of thefts are going on in the area. They even give the contract to those who may not even know what is happening. But to those of us who are there, and the grassroots are not given the opportunity to monitor the security of the whole thing.
What we are doing today is the right step in the right direction by coming to consult the traditional rulers. The traditional rulers, I can assure you, are not even aware of most of the projects that come to our areas. Sometimes I see somebody carrying people around. I have been given a job by NDDC, it is what so and so. I'm not even aware. The jobs are not done, maybe a quarter of it is done, and the money goes. I want to suggest, please, that when projects are being given to communities, kindly inform the paramount ruler or the majesty or the head of the community that this is the project we are bringing to your area, and this is the name of the contractor, and these are the specifications of the project. If we don't do that, then we are wasting the money.
We are very, very grateful to you. We are grateful to you for recognizing this body. There are so many bodies in Rivers State that can also claim impacting on the people of Rivers State. But they have singled us out first to come and visit. We should be grateful. So when you go back to your homes, continue to pray for them, so that they will make use of their time where they should succeed. We know in the past, NDDC have had so many problems. This time we are praying, no problem that made them horrible will never see the light of day in Jesus' name. You will have a board that will function and function well. You will have a board that will have direct relationship with Mr. President. Because we thank Mr. President for what he's doing. Look at the quality of the body put together. Look at the quality of the body put together.
Rivers State has 953 abandoned projects of NDDC. 953. And these projects are dotted around and across the nooks and crannies of the state. And when we say they are dotted around the nooks and crannies of the state, it means, of course, that there are royal majesties and highnesses and traditional rulers who projects are within their precincts and their neighborhoods. And so we felt we would open up this interaction to ask ourselves, and indeed to ask our fathers, what happened? Because this is what we're talking about happened before we came. I am just 2 months old. So what happened? Why are these projects there or completed? So these are the issues that we have isolated. And we have felt that 2 good heads, they say, are better than 1. We cannot claim, like I said before, we cannot claim to be a encyclopedic compendium of knowledge. Our knowledge of all of these things are limited. Our fathers will aid us on how we will go.
I think that this engagement is very productive. And it was not for nothing that we thought that this should be our takeoff point. You can see too that the paramount rulers and the traditional rulers, as it were, are also well aware of their environment. And you can see the inputs they have made, which we will go home and synthesize and do some more things from there. So on the whole, I think it's a very, very, very crucial engagement, and I have a lot of take-homes out of it.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.